Have you ever found an old video that looks like it was filmed on a potato? Blurry, noisy, low resolution. What if you could turn that into clean 4K quality in just a few clicks? Today I'll show you how to upscale videos to 4K, enhance images up to 8K, along with a lot of other things using VideoProc Converter AI. VideoProc Converter is an all-in-one AI-powered video processing tool. It can upscale low-resolution videos to 4K, enhance images up to 8K, remove background noise, convert and compress videos, stabilize shaky footage. People use it to restore old content and optimize videos for modern platforms. To download the tool, check out the video description. You'll get a link. Click on the link and you will land on this page. You can download the application from here. After installing the application on your computer, open it. This is the interface that you are going to see when you open it. There are a lot of tools, as I have mentioned earlier. First of all, we're going to try out Super Resolution, which basically enhances your video quality. After entering, you get a simple guide here on how to use it step by step, so don't get confused. Now, ignore everything else and upload your low-res video first. I am uploading this 360p video. Wait a bit after uploading the video, it will load and analyze everything before enhancing the quality as you want. On the left is our original video, and on the right, we can preview the enhanced version. This is 720p, and you can already see the difference. Now, on the right panel, we have all the controls. First of all, we can select the hardware and then also the AI model, based on the type of output we want. Try these out to learn more. Then we can either go for high quality or faster generations. Select height quality for better results. Now we have model settings. Here we can scale it by 2, 3, or 4 times, or select a specific resolution like 1080p. 2x scaling was selected by default, so our 360p videos was converted to 720p previously. We can select 2K resolution and hit the start button. For the export settings, everything is very general. You can just go with the default settings. Now click the Run button to export the video. It will take time depending on your system configuration. This is the enhanced video. Obviously, it won't be like an original high-quality video because it's quite impossible to extract those details from a 360p video. It is too bad quality, but you can notice some differences there. Now let's check out Image AI. I am uploading this image. You can see the original image resolution here. You can upscale it up to 8K. I am selecting 4K here. Now let's upscale it. See, this is the original image, very blurry and low res. The upscaled image, on the other hand, is very sharp and detailed. It is a lot better. You can actually see the difference if I zoom it a little. Look, the original images wasn't bad, but this tool made it more clean and sharp, very eye-pleasing. Let's try it once more with another image. This time I am uploading this image. It doesn't have any people in it. Again, I am going to make it 4K, then generate. This is the enhanced image. It has cleared all the noise from the image. Everything looks better now, even the water in the river. You can also try other AI models, for example, this anime model or the real smooth model. These are useful for different types of images. This is not all that you can do with VideoProc Converter. There are also other tools such as frame interpolation or audio AI. There are many other features like Video Converter to convert videos of any format or size, Downloader to download videos from YouTube, Facebook, or other sites, Compressor to compress videos to any size you need, or a recorder that you can use to record your screen. If you have a GPU, make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. It significantly speeds up processing. This tool is perfect for YouTubers restoring old content, content creators improving audio quality, social media editors optimizing videos for 4K platforms, anyone converting large video libraries. There are some pros and cons of the application. On the positive side, it offers easy-to-use interface, powerful AI upscaling, and multiple tools in one software. On the flip side, AI processing can take time. Best performance requires a good GPU. Still, all the features make this tool handy for video and image editing with AI on your computer. You can try this out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.